Hey guys, it's the 29th of June 2018, and I listened to the radio on Magic FM, and they have just solved the magic mystery sound. And, do you want me to tell you the answer? Well, I'll play you the sound right here on my iPhone. If you missed it, let's have another here. Any guesses? I'll give you a couple seconds, starting with my finger on my hand. Okay, the answer, it was hair being pulled from a hairbrush. Okay, if you don't believe me, let's have a listen again, one more time. That's the magic mystery sound. It was solved. And someone won £30,000. Yeah, I'm so happy that they solved the mystery.